All right, guys, have you ever wanted a way to pay attention to the overall markets, but you weren't sure how to, at least with the charts? Well, here's one way to do it. So we can look at an index known as the S&P 500. And the way that you can look at the S&P 500 is by typing in the three letters here, SPY or SPY. You can type this in on Robinhood. You can type this in on really any trading app. And this is a good representation of the overall US economy. Okay, it represents about 80 to 90% of that. What this is, it's just a compiled list of the top 500 companies in the US, all crunched into one, and it's averaged out by the market cap of those companies. So here's the S&P 500. You can see it's been just going overall in a straight line. Okay, here's about the last 20 years or so for the S&P 500, and you can see how America always wins, always increases. So we're on the weekly chart right now, and what I want to do here is I want to dial into the daily. Okay, so just a quick observation with the S&P 500 before we jump into the next topic here. You can see right here, this is noted as the global pandemic. So we had that global pandemic, the S&P crashed, and we were technically in a recession for a few days actually. And then with proper planning from our government and printing tons of money, we started increasing ever since. We came right out of that, almost looking like a Nike swoosh here. What I want to note next is what is next to come with the market. So we talked about the S&P 500, right? How it's just been ripping ever since. Okay, this is actually for 2 years straight. We've just been on an absolute tear here. Now recently, right, we were sitting in this channel, these red bars here, and we actually broke down below that channel. So we're kind of in no man's land right now. Anything can happen. The S&P is just kind of floating around. When we break out of that channel, it's typically not a good sign because it's something we've held for 2 years. So you can imagine if we break out of it at any point, it's going to be significant. My theory is, right, we broke out of it, kind of consolidated, came back up and retested it, and I think we're going to slightly reject off it here. Okay, I think we're going to continue either further falling down, or we're going to somewhat move sideways in the next few weeks or months here with a lot of volatility and chop. So that's the overall S&P 500. That is the overall market. My prediction is I think things will continue to be volatile, not necessarily bearish, but I think there will be a lot of opportunity for quick, in and out movements to both the upside and the downside. Now, if you guys want to learn more, if you found this helpful, be sure to check out the bio and our Instagram page. Go ahead and check out our services, guys. We got you covered. We host live streams nearly every day, and we're here to serve your stock trading needs. With that, guys, I hope this helped you out. I'll see you in the next video.